Making a business plan is a crucial first step in launching and operating a profitable company, but many entrepreneurs find it difficult to know what to include and what to leave out, which can result in a poorly written plan that fails to clearly convey their goals and approach. You will discover the top 10 do's and don'ts while developing a business plan in this video. Do thorough market research is the first thing to do. Do extensive market research before beginning to write your business plan. This is important since it will help you identify your target market. Examining your rivals and seeing market patterns second. Market research ensures that your ideas are grounded in reality by providing the framework for your business plan. Be specific in your company objectives. One of the biggest faults in business plan writing is being ambiguous about your business goals. Your objectives should be clear, measurable, doable, pertinent, and time-bound. Vague goals cause uncertainty and a lack of focus. Direction number 3. Make sure to emphasize your unique selling proposition. Your USP should be prominently displayed in your business plan. This is what makes your company stand out from rivals and makes clients want to choose you over the competition. Financial estimates should not be disregarded. Making forecasts is a serious error. Your company's financial viability must be demonstrated to investors and stakeholders by providing comprehensive financial projections, such as income statements, cash flow statements, and balance sheets. Quantity, give a lucid business plan. 5 does offer a well-defined business plan. Your business model outlines how your company will generate revenue. Thus, it's critical that your strategy include a clear, comprehensive business model. Explain the sources of your income. Pricing policy and sales methodology. 6. Don't forget to read the executive summary. The executive summary, which often appears at the top of your business plan for potential investors, should include a succinct synopsis of your company, including your objective, key business goals, and key strategies. Do outline your marketing strategy is the 7th step in the process. One of the most important parts of your business plan is your marketing plan. It should include information about your marketing channels and how you plan to draw in and keep clients. Strategies for marketing and advertising. The 8th, don't underestimate the significance of a SWOT analysis. Including one in your business plan shows that you have thought through potential obstacles and possibilities and have a thorough awareness of your business environment. 9th, establish a scaling plan. Investors are interested in learning if your company has room to develop. Strategies for growing your company should be included in your business plan. Include adding more products to your lineup, breaking into untapped markets, raising production levels, and number 10, remember to revise your plan on a frequent basis. A business plan should be updated frequently to reflect new objectives as your company expands and market conditions shift. It is not a static document. Plans and budgetary estimates. Keep in mind that a strong business strategy can help you achieve your objectives.